While health and well-being is on your mind, the new bivalent COVID booster has been around for some time. But are North Carolinians actually taking the shot? Reporter Pete Villasmil has the story.
For many Tar Heels, the pandemic has been put behind them. Even so, less than 10% of the eligible population in North Carolina has gotten the most recent COVID booster. It's a situation that some medical professionals have called demoralizing. I spoke with a doctor and several students to get their thoughts as to why COVID booster rates are so low in North Carolina. Take a listen.
I got vaccinated because I pretty much wanted to protect myself and my family.
Eli Schell is a senior concerned with the low boosted rates, especially after losing several years of his college experience. He fears that complacency is what's causing the latest figures.
From what I've read, there's a lot of COVID fatigue. People are just kind of tired of hearing about COVID. They want a sense of normalcy. And in due part, they just want to be over with COVID. And part of that is just not taking any more vaccines.
In North Carolina, around 8% of eligible people have received the most recent booster. Nationwide, it's about the same. The figures haven't been encouraging for public health officials.
It's been very disappointing. I think the uptake, and I think it's likely we'll pay a price for that in terms of the number of cases we see going into the winter.
While most people in the country have acquired some form of immunity, either from a vaccine or infection, it's the possibility of a new variant like Delta or Omicron that has doctors so concerned. Brache Lucero volunteered with the Carolina Together initiative. During the height of the pandemic, the program helped administer COVID tests and vaccines, which helped facilitate the safe return to campus.
So after going through all that, it's kind of hard to hear that people aren't doing as much as they can to make sure we don't go back to that.
The situation has caused government officials to raise the alarm over the situation. Before the Thanksgiving holiday, Dr. Anthony Fauci addressed the American people, urging everyone to get the latest shot. In my conversations with Dr. Lessler, he urged that every student get their vaccine and their booster as soon as possible. Students can get their vaccine and booster right behind me here at Campus Health. Boosters and vaccines are also available at the Student Store Pharmacy located on the second floor of Student Stores. Reporting in Chapel Hill, this is Pete Villasmil, Carolina Week.